Okay, hello guys, welcome to another video. It's me, Orange Kid, and today, if you don't know this game, it's called the normal elevator. But if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and please give all your support. Please give a like. And then comment you gave a like. And then, I don't know. I'll think of what I'll do. We're currently on the 3rd floor. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, please say there's nothing in there. Oh goodness, that skeleton just disappeared in there. Okay, that can get me down. No fun. Good. I'm being sent like 1 billion friend requests. Are they not like me? No? You're not letting me out? Oh, is this gonna be like one of those things where they come in the elevator? No. Hey, Mr. Skeleton. Are you friendly? Please don't kill me. I want to be killed. I feel like you're just giving me the evil eye. If you have something to say, say it to me face to face. Did I have my mic up the whole time? How did I die? I died from hopping in the elevator. Wow. Teleport. Hey, Mr. Skelly Bob again. It's been nice knowing you. Oh yeah. Please say that's not my body dying. Can't even see what I have in my hand. I don't know if it's like a sword or something. Let me just stay with whatever I have in my hand in the elevator. Watch this, just leave all of them. Except for me and the big cheese and Mr. Skelly Bob over here. Hello, Mr. Skelly Bob. Oh my gosh! He teleported. Can I keep my weapon? No. What are the numbers? Do you have to survive being trapped in here? Oh my, no. The walls are caving in. You know I'm not trying to relate to a song right now. So please don't copyright me. Ramsey, join me. Okay, so give this video a like. I want to hit 2 likes at the least. I know you guys can show more if you want me to make this a series. And if you want me making another series, then let's try to hit 5 subscribers. I know you guys out there, I know you can do more, but at least 5 subscribers. And I hope you enjoy the video. Dun, 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 dun. Is he really a ninja? Can he do parkour? Hey, Mr. Skelly Bob's still here. Oh no, I feel like Slender or Granny's or Baldy's just gonna pop out this elevator. This is gonna scare me to death. Please no. I just feel like one of them is gonna come in this elevator and just slay us in the shadows. No. Oh no. This can't be safe. This cannot. Oh, I've been sucked in. What is this? What kind of elevator is that? It just threw me out? Did it make me smaller? What happened? Apparently I'm frozen. I love Mr. Skelly Bob. Hopefully I'll get back in there with him. What? These are the same people, but where's Mr. Skelly Bob? Did you kill him? Oh my gosh, I think they killed him. He was my only friend. What happened to the numbers? Nope, this definitely has Slender or something coming in it. Baldy, maybe Granny. That's how you know when this is bad. Oh my. Oh goodness. Yep, I bet you Slender's just gonna pop up on my screen. Oh. I don't. Mr. Skelly Bob came back! Yay! Yay! So, Mr. Skelly Bob, where were you? Did they kill you? Did they kill you? I bet they did. Not be. Nope, Slender. Mr. Skelly Bob. Oh, my, that's not Slender. Oh my gosh. Please help me, Mr. Skelly Bob. I'm just gonna hide behind you. I can find a shot. Shot? I know. I don't know. I can't get out. Well, they're left. That's not my problem. Hello, Mr. Skelly Bob. How are you today? It was at 16, and I had 16. The final countdown. Oh my gosh. I'm not going down there. Nope. Press the button. I must press the button. But this is... Hey, I'm not leaving Mr. Skelly Bob. Ah! Okay, I'm sorry, Mr. Skelly Bob. I'll be right back. Just let me get eaten and digested. And this is weird. Oh gosh. Yuck. Disgusting. I died. I just got pooped out. No, that's not food. I know it wasn't you, Mr. Skelly Bob. I know it's there. Dun dun dun. Final suspects. Who is it to be? One of these three. I mean, he could have got killed. I don't know why these three are suspects for anything. But, you know, he's just... Imagine if Slender just came and just popped out while he was in there. They can get left. I'm staying to protect Mr. Skelly Bob. I shot it! I don't know if I made it because I can't see anything. Bum, 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 bum. Can I, like, hop out? Oh, okay, guys. I had my eye on you. I bet you one day they're gonna kill you again. Look! This dude, like... Did this dude get half digested by that person? By the monster? They have a big head. That's not a lie. I think I see Slender in the distance. No way, Jose. He's just gonna come and jump scare all of us. And then, like, maybe they... Oh, no! No, no, no! I saw that moving figure. I'm hiding behind Mr. Skelly Bob. If Slender kills... Oh gosh, that's definitely Slender. Leave a like if you want me to run from Slender. Bye, Slender. I hope I never see you again. Thank you. Oh my gosh, it says 12. It doesn't say 12 anymore. It's about to be time. If you didn't notice, this right here, oh my gosh. Dang me. Aww. I'm left here to protect him. Who will win? Then Slender just pops out one of their burgers. Like, the winner is the X-Boy XB. This dude does not know internet terms. They die or something? Mr. Skelly Bob. I know you disappeared once. I bet you they killed you. They killed Mr. Skelly Bob. Oh my. Nope, that's creepy, alright. Oh, that's like natural disasters. You gotta walk in it, and they'll kill you. They'll be... Oh, no, that has flying sharks. Going back in the elevator. I need to protect him from the flying sharks. Please, man. Just scoot back. He's moving. Mainly because I'm moving him. Don't die. Don't leave me, Mr. Skelly Bob. Are you like decaying partly in the face, man? He's stuck. Wait till the door opens and then Slender just pops out and eats his head. Well guys, that will wrap it up for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.